Hey guys, I am Jenny Baynes. I am Operations Coordinator for Winning Solutions Incorporated. I'm here with my coworker, Mark Steffen. Mark is a familiar face on our social media platforms, and that's because Mark is our senior IT consultant here at Winning Solutions. How long have you been with the company, Mark?
It's now 23 years, and it's really been an exciting place to work because we have new challenges that come to us every day because we don't practice in a specific area. We provide custom solutions in databases and software across all industries.
Wow, that's really impressive. 23 years really shows how committed our team is to providing the right technology solutions for our customers. So, this month, Mark, we are discussing why custom software is the best. And I know that WSI has a long history of providing custom software solutions. So, based on your experience, why is custom software better than off the shelf solutions?
Well, the number one reason we feel is because software should be something that suits your business. It shouldn't be something that you have to change the way you do business to conform to the software. So we make the software conform to your business, and that really is the number one thing.
Very good. Those are some really good points. So, can you give me some examples of some types of custom software that WSI has created in the past?
Sure. So it really runs the gamut. I am going to work on publishing a list soon on our website because in 23 years we've worked on what seems like everything. So let's suffice it to say that we've been able to wrap our mind around so many different types of organizations that even if we haven't done a custom application in your industry, it will be no problem for us to do so. Also, many concepts that appear in across many industries, and they're the same concept, just in a different industry. So that gives us experience even in an industry we haven't already worked in. But I would challenge you to contact us and see if your industry is one that we haven't worked in already.
I like that challenge. So, Mark, here at Winning Solutions, you're usually one of the very first point of contact that customers engage with. Can you tell me what type of customer or business would really benefit from custom software? Is it only for large companies with large budgets?
No, it's good for small companies too. And we're very adept at tailoring the tools that we use and the solution that we create to the size of the customer because we realize that we need to keep our customers in business to be successful. And so we don't want them to overspend on their custom solution. So the way we do this is we use different parts of the Microsoft technology stack. So Microsoft Office has some great tools for building cost-effective small business solutions, and then those can be scaled up into with Microsoft's enterprise tools with a technology Microsoft calls .NET, which we would start off with for our larger clients. So we can kind of blend those two. Sometimes a large industry will use the Office solutions within a department. Sometimes a small business will just prefer to make a greater investment and use the enterprise .NET technology from the start. But we're very flexible and we'll advise on the pros and cons of going either direction.
I really love that flexibility, and I think our customers do too. So, if somebody is considering a custom software solution and they may feel overwhelmed by the process, how does WSI make that process easy and straightforward?
Sure. The number one way we do this is we break it down into manageable chunks. So we've really kind of divided it up into three key areas, and each one is staged so that to minimize the risk going into it. Because at the beginning, it's not possible to know how much effort and investment is going to be required to build the custom application until both parties understand what the custom application to be built is. So the way we arrive at that is we conduct a meeting with our clients, our prospects, to go through what it is the problem they're trying to solve. How are they doing it today? Are they still on paper? Are they using spreadsheets? Is this a whole new area they are adding to their business? And then once we've gotten past that, we will create a specification. And the specification is very important because you need to have something in writing. It's a little bit dangerous to call around to companies like ours and say, hey, I need something that does this, this, and this, and how much and when can you have it done? because there are so many details that go into something like that that you may not have even considered yet, or that you may think are just everyone would know that you need that, but the programmer you're talking to at the other end of the phone line doesn't consider that at all. And that's where you can run into problems. And the way we resolve that is by creating a specification. So there is a little bit more upfront investment before the programming begins to get that specification done, but it leads to better results at the end. Now, there is a possibility that you get the specification created and you realize that, hey, this project is going to be beyond our means. Now, that's unfortunate, but at least you haven't gone halfway through the project or all the way to the end before you find that out. So we try to identify that as early in the process as possible. You know, we wish there were some magic way that every single project could go forward and succeed, but that's not realistic, and that's why we step through it one piece at a time.
Very good. And after 27 years in the business, it's no surprise that WSI has perfected that process. Now, Mark, you gave us some really good insights today. If somebody wants to discuss their specific project or their business needs, what is the best way to get in touch with WSI to discuss what custom
Sure,
options
I
are
would say
available?
just pick up the phone and give me a call. You can reach me at area code 515-239-9900, extension 102.
Very good. Thanks, Mark.
You're welcome, Jenny. Great talking to you.